All right, Fort Myers Beach. Yes, there's a few people out there enjoying the waves, enjoying the sand, and a lot of gray skies. We have a second line of rain coming through, though, so you don't want to stay out on the beach too much longer. In the next, probably next 2 hours or so, we're going to be talking about some more rain coming our way. Here's a look at Viper radar, and a rather impressive band rolling in from the Gulf of Mexico. There's going to be quite a bit of lightning, strong winds, and heavy rain coming along with this. South Florida really being bombarded right now, and again, just reiterating to you that yes, tornado watch, and that means that it is possible that we could see tornadoes develop into parts of South Florida. The blinking polygon there, the red one, that's a tornado warning. We don't have anything like that right now. We barely have any rain, but that goes until 11 o'clock this morning, and then until 8 o'clock tonight is a flood watch. And again, with all the rainfall, we are prone to flooding in some areas, so that is a heads up for you. Here comes that band, and also keeping an eye on a little cell down towards Marco Island. Here's your future scan. An hour into the future, still waiting for the rain to get here, but it won't be much longer. Late morning, we're going to be dealing with some rain there, and also down towards Marco Island, 10,000 Islands, Everglades City. That's where we're picking up the rainfall right now. Right over Marco Island, at least the southern half of the island. That's where it is most intense and likely to lift to the north as just a small pocket of rainfall. And again, here's a closer look an hour into the future, and that rain getting a little closer to southwest Florida. So again, another round on the way. About 1 to 3 inches is about normal right now when you take a look at the radar estimates for 24-hour rainfall totals, and we're going to add to it that second line rolling in later this morning. You can see just how it strengthens. It's just blossoming on the satellite loop right now, so there is still a lot of energy in the atmosphere, a lot of rainfall coming our way. Taking a look at your Vipercast, you'll see that west central Florida really gets hit hardest, but areas north of the Caloosahatchee, the favored area for some heavy rainfall today. Certainly there will be more into Collier County, but you're going to see the more intense rainfall the further north you look. And we're talking about temperatures kind of into that mid to lower 70 right now. And a look at your Power of 4 zone forecast. A lot of gray skies. We do have the scattered rain. Temperatures will barely squeak into the 80s for today. The harbor zone is going to pick up the heaviest rainfall, it looks like, but there'll still be rain coming off the Gulf for our coastal zone and our beaches as well. And a quick look at that 7-day forecast. We kind of get back to normal as we get into the weekend, and by next week, this will all be a thing of the past. We'll have those typical afternoon thunderstorms.